Now we'll go towards the comparison of chemical reaction and nuclear reaction. We'll see the point of difference. First point of difference between the chemical reaction and nuclear reaction is, for chemical reaction, rearrangement of atoms by breaking and forming of chemical bond. Breaking and forming of chemical bond. We know that, for example, there is a reaction of methane and oxygen, that is combustion of methane, that is CH4 plus twice of O2, it will give CO2 plus twice of H2O. Means when there is a formation of carbon dioxide and water molecules, the bond of carbon and hydrogen breaks and new bond between carbon and oxygen is formed. Means in a chemical reaction there is a breaking and forming of chemical bond. In nuclear reaction, elements or isotopes of one element is converted into the another element. One element is converted into the another element. For example, we saw the radioactive decay. By that, one element is converted to another. For example, uranium is converted to the another barium or krypton nucleus. Second point is, different isotopes of an element have same behavior. Different isotopes of element have same behavior in chemical reaction. Isotopes, that means having same atomic number or same number of protons but different number of neutrons. If number of neutrons are different, means it not affect the chemical reaction. Therefore different isotopes have same behavior. But for nuclear reaction, isotopes of an element have different behavior. In chemical reaction, only outer shell electron or valence electron will takes part into the chemical reaction. We know that when there is a bond formation, only the valence electron or electrons which are present into the outermost shell can take part into the bond formation. Therefore only valence electron or outer shell electron take part into a chemical reaction. But for nuclear reactions with electrons, protons, neutrons and other elementary particles such as alpha particle, beta particle and gamma particles are also involved. Chemical reaction is accompanied by small amount of energy. Small amount of energy, will take same example, that is combustion of 1 mole of methane. When there is a combustion of 1 mole of methane or 1 gram of methane, it releases 56 kilojoule of energy. In nuclear reaction, it is accompanied by large amount of energy. Means when 1 gram of uranium 235, it releases 8.2 into 10 raised to 7 kilojoule. Means there is a large amount of energy is released during the nuclear reactions. Then fifth point of difference is rate of reaction. Rate of chemical reaction is influenced by temperature, pressure, catalyst and concentration. Means generally we know that with respect to temperature, as temperature increases, rate of chemical reaction will be increases. For pressure, generally it is affected in cases of gases. If pressure is increases, pressure of gas will increases, means kinetic energy of gas molecules will be decreases because they have less space to move. Similarly, catalysts also affect the rate of reaction. But nuclear reaction is not affected or it is unaffected by temperature, pressure and catalyst. So these are the point of difference.